What the F just happened? If you know, you know. If you've just been through a massive spiritual warfare, it was just a leveling up. You just reached another level. The level of truth, love, and light. And I call it personally the 3 days of darkness, where all of your emotions are coming to the surface after you're cutting cords, every doorway to the negativity, the dark forces, so you feel lighter. I'm praying for you to experience that. 111 on the screen. I cannot make this up. Again, if you know what I'm talking about. Everything feels different. Your energy is just not the same. You're not the same person. You're becoming, I'm hearing, a boss, a master. And for some reason, I'm talking to a beautiful soul that knows. You kind of know this process, but each time you're a bit surprised because it's getting more serious. The more you're erasing, transmuting, banishing traumas, emotional, I'm hearing, indecision. So what could get you in indecision mode? Like, for example, this is a trick of the mind. You're just like, do not know where to go. You know you have a mission, but it's difficult for you to choose because you think if you're like taking one way, you're saying no to another. But remember, what is destined for you cannot pass you by. There is no way. It's not because you're choosing this person or whatever that you're not going to have something. Like, your soul knows, and you just can't go to the top with anything that is not aligned with your highest and best good. So God, the source, is making sure you're going to get what you're destined for. So there is nothing to rush, nothing to worry. You're just getting stronger and stronger. Your boundaries are getting stronger and stronger. I'm summoned today to 314, which is God for me. Help you connect deeper to your gift, talents, and abilities. Because when you let your energy to others, when your boundaries are not strong enough, when you're, I'm hearing when another energy like money or something is leading your life, or love is leading your life, or something, a relationship, when it's not healthy, you're losing power, you're losing energy. So I'm here today to help you reconnect with your gift, power, talent, ability, for you to become sovereign and get your authority back. Speak your truth. This is what you want the most, being able to speak your truth. Karaki natara iko nunu tu 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 kutura ana izio to unu tu tu ua. Hey, I am going to connect you to the 11th dimension, and I'm praying that any single soul that is going to see this video is aligned with these truths, to be able to navigate this dimension with a pure heart space. Kaiti na ta puara tikia na taeria na tereya na tereya na tereya na tereya. Saraya, this is you. This is your gift. You're so talented at it. It's a very advanced gift for some of you. Do not hesitate to practice. The more I'm hearing shame, the more you're going to speak it loud in very crowded places, the more the universe is going to send details regarding this gift. 77 on the screen. Again, you're going to be able to monetize this gift, but to do so, you must be ashamed, because this is you. God chose you. This is your unique gift. Nobody else on this universe is incarnating with your energy and this gift. You must be proud. You must honor what God gave you. Speak it loud. Sing it. Dance it. Craft, I'm hearing, create. I just got a confirmation on my phone, and I'm praying for you to have a beautiful confirmation. Yeah, there is something you refuse to see. Maybe you tried few times and you got annoyed or bored, or someone mocked at you, or you just don't know where to start, or just start. Just start. Just start where you are. It's going to help you. These codes. Ooh, I got beautiful. And I have one card that came here on the desk. I got the freedom for me, and someone is going to write a book also. This is your power. You're very good with writing. You need to write. I don't know who it is, and it is very protected. I got the energy of Horus Ra here. You're going to write maybe an autobiography or something. Ooh, the wheel is turning. The wheel is turning. You're going through a massive death and transformation. The devil made you overthink everything that is happening to you, because again, you're about to make your gift make you famous, I'm hearing, and the devil is trying to make you overthink and you're not good or something else or whatever it is. But please, you have a choice to make. Choose yourself and just go for it. You're aligned with love right now. So much love. If you want to dig deeper, please check my website. You want to go to the next level if it's not already the case. I'm here. This is my gift and I'm happy to share it with you. Until next time, namaste.